Almost a year after the vaccination began for healthcare workers and essential service workers, what we see now is that from tomorrow onwards, as per the instructions of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, vaccination will begin for those between the age group of 15 to 18. At BKC Jumbo COVID Center, where we are right now, preparations are on in full swing to get vaccination for teenagers. This is the vaccination that will be given to those who are below the age of 18 but above the age of 15. So from 2007 onwards, those who are born and before that will be given vaccination. We see there are posters which are put up specially for these teenagers in order to attract them so that it is ensured that they are motivated to come and get their vaccination dose. In Mumbai, BKC Jumbo COVID Center, which is one of the biggest COVID centers, which has inoculated a lot of people even before this and was the first to start vaccination in Maharashtra. This preparation is all in full swing. There will be 9.2 lakh people, that is teenagers, who will be vaccinated in this dose in Mumbai. There are 9 such centers which will have vaccination, and in BKC Jumbo COVID Center, they are prepared with 2,000 rails already for vaccination. This will be the Covaxin dose which will be given, and there are 9 other Jumbo COVID centers where the vaccination will take place. Tomorrow, there will be 500 people who will be vaccinated here of the 2,000 that we are talking about. We have with us the Dean of BKC Jumbo COVID Center, Dr. Rajesh Dere. Please speak to him and understand how are the preparations going on for this vaccination will begin from tomorrow onwards.
Yeah, as per Government of India guidelines and under guidance of Honorable Municipal Commissioner, sir, from tomorrow we are starting vaccination for age group 15 to 18 and we have already been provided 10,000 doses of Covaxin for that purpose. Tomorrow, Honorable Guardian Minister Aditya Ji Thackeray would be starting the vaccination for this age group for complete Maharashtra from BKC at 11 a.m. You can see we have 5 dedicated cubicles only for children's. We have attractive posters for them. We have brought books of social messages for them. For tomorrow, initial 25 to 50 students, we would be distributing some flowers, chocolates, so that it will send a positive vibes to the parents that they need to vaccinate our children if they want to prevent infection to their kids. And I would request all the parents, school teachers, we all are ready for the vaccination for this age group. Please come forward and protect your children from this pandemic.
So we see a lot of cases are increasing lately in Mumbai, all across the country, in fact. So do you think this vaccination for 15 to 18 will help, curb some kind of the outbreak that is happening right now?
Why not? If you could recollect, the anticipated third wave, which was to come in November, there was an indication that the involvement of child category would be more, and for that task force for the pediatric was formed by Honorable Chief Minister, sir. So again, that can be one of the probability, because whatever the positive cases are coming, 50 to 60% I think would be of Omicron, and rest would be for the Delta or any other variant. And in that variant, there are possibilities that child may be infected. So this would be a good preventive step for these kids, so that they would be fearless in going to schools, and if required, they can be protected from all these viruses.
So do you think it's difficult to convince the parents of these young kids to come? Is that why you're putting all these posters and, reaching out to teenagers? Or will it be easier to convince the younger generation because their parents have already been vaccinated?
It is not to basically convince them. See, we all were a child one day, and we all fear for this injection and hospital mentality. So we are trying our best on the day one, that the psychology of the initial vaccinated children, if they could convey message to the other children's, no, this is not a hospital, it is a vaccination center, and whatever prick they are getting is a pain-free prick, and it is for their betterment. If such messages we could convey on the day one from these children who are vaccinated on day one, I think the rest will come automatically, and parents will not fear to come to vaccination centers.
Do you think this is a positive step? Because we see schools and colleges have resumed partially in hybrid mode over the last 1 month. And now, if this vaccination is done, because we are seeing a third wave already hitting Mumbai, and we see that there might be cases that schools and colleges might be shut. But if there's vaccination done at this point, then we could avoid that entire thing and get students back to the normal routine how they were when with their schools and colleges?
Why not? Listen, any type of vaccination is always a positive step. It is irrespective whether school has been opened or hybrid, because even though schools are not opened, if this is a possibility, these childs are prone to be infected if they are going in societies, market. So if they get prevention from such pandemic, parents would be happy and parents would be secure. We are also parent. It's immaterial if I get infected or my adult people get infected. But see the psychology, if our kids get infected, the psychology of parent would be much more worse than what for the adult. So I think this is a great positive step, and municipal corporation is already doing the best work in this COVID. I think we all know, and our honorable CM and municipal commissioner is giving us instructions and guidelines on daily basis.
So, like we see, what Sir also mentioned was that getting children vaccinated will be a positive step because there are 5 such cubicles which have been made here, which will be specially designated in a way in order to attract children. So, here a token of 25 to 50 people will be vaccinated tomorrow, following which this entire drive would be kicked off for a larger basis with the Covaxin vaccine that is being given to the younger generation. This is Yesha with Vijay Sunil for Republic Media Network.